What's up, folks? It's Eli, working on the 456 pole ramp here. Both of these springs were just sitting in there floating around. They go to the back side of the wire inside the housing body here. Give it some tension. This is just like it came. This was floating around, broken off in there. It's a little rubber washer. Here's the tacks that I've only had one wire that came with this. The other one was completely missing, but the tack was in there. That's good. Here's the original wire. It's really nice and thin. It's braided wire cord for the handrail. In my stash of stuff here, I found this 4-strand twisted wire. I untwisted 2 different strands off of it, cut to extra length. Here's one piece that the second handrail I have to put together here. Ran some steel wool down it, put it in a vise, and cleaned it off and then straightened it out. You can see inside here I wrapped the end of the wire around a washer, just like this here. Put the spring on there. It's got nice good tension. Here's the wire, or the handrail cord. It looks pretty good. Nice and taut, nice and straight. I only have one rivet eyelet. The other side is missing, but that's okay. This is my viewable side anyway, so I'm not really worried about the back side until I can get the right parts to fix it. On the bottom, the tack nail was with the wire was too big to fit in there, so I just left it off of there and then wrapped the excess around this other little post here, and then tightened it up with some pliers and then put a little bend in there. It's like $1,000,000, man. Got one more side to do. All right. Y'all have a good one.